Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so that you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.